Hello everybody. Hallo zusammen. Hallo. Ich bin hier für mein 4. Online-Konzert. I'm here for my 4th online video. And so far I don't see if anyone is watching. Yes, hi Annie. Nice to see you. Hey Luisa. Hi Veronika. Hi Pascal. Hoi. Ah, was ganz Neues. Hier kann man drücken und dann winkt es irgendwo bei jemandem. Hi! Hallo Frauke! Ich freue mich sehr auf das heutige Konzert. I'm really looking forward to this one. It's really crazy. I had so many things to organize, and 40 hours from now I'm going to be on my way. Hi Nicole! And so today I even feel a little bit more vulnerable than I do usually. But that should actually be a good thing if I want to be singing to you, if I want to share my emotions. So why not? Hi Eric. Ich habe gerade angefangen. I'm starting. First song is gonna be a song that I actually wrote for Christmas time, but then I did a little rework and now I can use it throughout the year. Hallo Antoinette, schön dich zu sehen. Hi Joanna. And this former Christmas song is now a song that works throughout the year. It's called Through the Year. And it's a little bit about the ups and downs that we all have to go through, and that we also need. You know, we need ups and downs. And there's also, this idea, after a while, if you grow enough, you will understand that you actually never really fail, but you just take a detour and then you find your way back to where you're supposed to go. Through the year, as every season comes and goes, we can't deny that our experience grows. No matter if we win or lose, as we move on with every new moon, we slowly learn that nothing happens too soon. Most everything is right on time, even if nothing goes our way. We're still evolving day by day by day. Nothing is here to stay. Breathe in, breathe out. Light a candle in your heart and see it burning bright and clear. And while the candles burn, I hope that we can learn to show up as who we are without fear. Through the year, while every month is like a door to help us evaluate what we went through before. Sometimes we fail, sometimes we succeed, as we move on with every new week. It may take time, but we will find what we seek, while slowly moving on step by step. There may be days that pass too fast, and too many hours lost in thoughts about the past. Nothing is here to last. Breathe in, breathe out. Light a candle in your heart and see it burning bright and clear. And while the candles burn, I hope that we can learn to show up as who we are without fear. Can we show up as who we are without fear? And while the candles burn, I hope that we can learn to show up as who we are without fear. Can we make every minute count throughout the year? Can we make an effort to evolve without fear? And while the candles burn, I hope that we can learn to show up as who we are without fear through the year. Hallo Gabi. Hi. Das war gerade mein erster Song. And I told everybody already that I feel extra vulnerable today because I'm so excited about my travel plans, and around me there's still a lot of stuff to pack and so on. But still, having a concert is one of the best things I can do in such a moment. The next song I want to do is one that I did recently. I think there's a video of it on my profile, and it's called This Is What I Needed. Hello Selina, This Is What I Needed. And the topic of the song is actually, sometimes in life we're in a situation where our instincts want to say, no, this is not what I needed, this is not what I want, this is not what I want. And the same thing was true for this song. When I was writing about this situation, I was like, this is not what I needed, this is not what I wanted. And then the song just didn't happen until I realized, well, I actually learned such a big lesson from this situation that I had to turn the course around, and now it's called This Is What I Needed. It's about a situation, I think everyone has situations like this when we look up to someone or trust someone, and then in a certain situation we have to realize that we have outgrown the person we were looking up to, or that we just have to go on without the support that we were used to getting from that person. This is what I needed. Hi Ruth. Hi. Next song, This Is What I Needed. Look at you closely as you speak. I try not to judge, but as you choose your words, something inside me is closing. The truth you share is not for me to touch. You're lying like a child that hopes to find love, and my heart is breaking as my intuition tells me this is not a place where we can stay. I look at you, closely observing how your tale burdens my breath. Entangled in your past, you are not able to be present. Still you pretend to be in touch with yourself. It It pains me to feel the waves of your effort to hide your deep desperation, creeping into the room we're in, covering everything. Still I feel strong. This is what I needed to see with my own eyes. If we don't try to face our shadows, in time we pay the price of growing without healing, of living in the disguise. You're good, you're numbing every feeling, hoping no one cares about your lies, cares about your lies, cares about your lies, cares about your lies. This is what I needed to see with my own eyes. If we don't try to face our shadows, in time we'll pay the price of growing without healing, of living in disguise. You're numbing every feeling, hoping no one cares about your lies, cares about your lies, cares about you. This is what I needed. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for all the people who are joining. Hi Dina. Hi Sabrina. Oh, die klatschen sogar. So gut. I'm so happy that this tradition of doing these concerts is moving along. It's really interesting how I feel like I really have a live audience. You obviously feel like you are in a live setting, so it actually works, even if we don't see each other, or I don't see you. I'm really happy that it works. The next song I want to do is one that I wrote during my 28-day challenge that I'm still doing. If you haven't heard of this, just check on my profile. I have decided on the 1st of July that I'm going to spend the whole month writing songs. And so one of these new songs is called Show Me Your True Colors. And it's a song about, one of my deepest beliefs, that it's really important to find a way to show who you really are. You don't have to show all the world, but you have to be able to show someone, you have to be able to show yourself. So that by being true to yourself, you will also find which way is going to be true for you, which is going to be your way in life. Oh, true, Joanna. It's Sunday morning. Here it's evening, but I'm really happy you're here and enjoying it in the morning. So. Show me your true colors. Show me your true colors. That's what I want to see. No matter if everybody told you you could never be free. Show me what's different about you. Show me the things you would like to hide, and I will listen patiently until you realize the gifts you have inside. Show me your true desire. That's what I want to see. Please show me your hidden fire. Tell me about the things you could be. Show me what's twisted inside you, and I will tell you it's alright. And I will listen patiently until you realize the gift you have inside. Show me your true colors, that's what I want to see. No matter if everybody told you you could never be free. Show me what's twisted inside you. Show me the things you'd like to hide. And I will listen patiently until you realize the gift you have inside. Show me your true colors, that's what I want to see. No matter if everybody told you you could never be free. Show me what's different about you. Show me the things you would like to hide. And I will listen patiently until you realize you're beautiful inside. And I will listen patiently, I will listen patiently until you realize you're beautiful inside. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Thank you, Angela. Yes, I'm really happy to do this, not just for me, for everyone. And I'm really happy if you can also interact with me, not necessarily right now because I can't interact a lot, but you know, if this means something to you, then I'm really happy to hear what it, you know, how it moves you, how it speaks to you, what you would like to see, how I can grow, how I can move on with what I'm doing right now. And I'm getting ready for the fourth and for the last one of today's concert. And it's one that I've been doing for a while. It's on my last album. It's called You Know How Much I Love You. And it's basically, you know, for me it's a sort of communication with my intuition. But some of my viewers have also asked, is this a song about God? And then I had to say yes, even though for me God is more like in intuition and in emotions and in inspiration. But I think for everybody there's like some belief or some, you know, something we address if we need support or if we need guidance. And so this is actually a song about this guidance. But I believe very much that we have intrinsic guidance, or that we are able to find something that guides us, that is inside of ourselves. And so this song is actually about the relation that we can have with another part of us that is guiding us. And actually, if you're enjoying this, I think there's some sort of way you can share the event or invite people that you would think are interested so they can enjoy this with us. You know how much I love you. You are the one I always turn to. You hold me in your hand. Oh, it took so long for me to understand that you were always shining through me, even before I knew you knew me. You showed me that we all have wings to fly. You fill my well when I'm afraid it will run dry. Help me to never give up trying. Shower me with hope when I am crying. I know you're there whenever I'm in need, and I know that you want me to succeed. Look, I know I can fulfill it. Your design unfolds before me, bit by bit. Slowly, but constantly arise. But will I ever see creation through your eyes? Help me to never give up trying. Shower me with hope when I am crying. I know you're there whenever I'm in need, and I know that you want me to Thank you so much for listening, for watching. Hi Barbara, schön bist du da. Das war gerade mein letztes Lied. This was my last song. Oh, wow, Sabrina. Dankeschön vielmals fürs Zuhören. Thank you very much for listening. If you don't know yet, this is part of an experiment. I've been writing songs every day in July. Ich habe jeden Tag im Juli an meine Lieder geschafft. Es gibt einen Link oben dran. There's a link where you can find all the other videos and also the blurbs and daily videos of July. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know what you think. Let me know what you need. I will continue doing these concerts, and I will continue with my challenge in a few days. But first, I will pack my bags and travel to Bali, where I will continue with this. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you, Diane. Thank you, Ruth. Thank you, Louisa. Thank you, Gabi, Joanna. I can't see everyone. Angela, thank you so much. Thank you. Oh, people are asking me to play one more song. One more. Okay, so I said it's like a real concert, so it is like a real concert, and I will do one more. Danke, Barbara. Yes, I will have a great time, I'm sure. So thinking which song I will do. Probably one that you know, most of you know, and it's a nice one to sing with me. Diane, you know it very well. It's called Whatever My Life Will Bring. Barbara, you also know it. Frauke, you heard it last time, so here we go. Yes, here we go. Whatever my life will bring, I'll be dancing and I will sing. Will I be rich and famous, poor and nameless? I don't know, but I'm gonna be alright. Whatever my life will bring, I'll be dancing and I will sing. Will I be rich and famous, poor and nameless? I don't know, but I'm gonna be alright. I'm gonna be alright. You're gonna be alright. We're gonna be alright. Whatever our lives will bring. And very often in this song, I invite my audience to sing with me. And I won't hear you, but I imagine I will hear you. You can also just sing harmonies, you can hum with it. The tune is so simple that you will be able to sing together. And if you don't want to be creative, you can start with a very, very simple version, just humming on the same note, like this. And so on. Here we go. Whatever my life will bring, I'll be dancing and I will sing. Will I be rich and famous, poor and nameless? I don't know, but I'm gonna be alright. I'm gonna be alright. Danke, Veronika. Thank you, Joanna. Thank you, Diane. Danke, Gabi. Oh, dein Lieblingssong sogar. Thanks for singing along. And very much looking forward to the next concert. I'm planning, if Wi-Fi is good, to do it Sunday again at 7 in the evening Swiss time, but I will always try to provide you with a little link so you can figure out what that means for your time zone. I almost cried. Yes, I also almost cried. But singing helps. Vielen, vielen Dank fürs Dabeisein. Thank you so much for being with me here. And if you liked it, remember to share my content, because then it helps to attract other people who like this stuff, who like authentic songwriting, who like people trying to be real while they perform. That would be really nice. Thank you so much. See you soon. Here's the outro. Hey Doris, jetzt bin ich gerade schon am Outro. And I will listen patiently until you realize you're beautiful inside. And I will listen patiently until you realize you're beautiful inside. See you soon. Thanks a lot.